Hello and welcome back to Master Speak English, the place where we learn English through real stories, real routines, and real life. Today I'll take you with me through a day at the gym, not just to exercise my body, but also to exercise my English. So put on your sneakers and let's get started. It's 8 a.m. sharp. The sunlight peeks through my window and my alarm goes off. I stretch, yawn, and sit up. It's gym day. I glance over at my gym clothes, a clean white t-shirt and black leggings, already laid out on the chair. My gym bag is on the floor, ready to be packed. I brush my hair and tie it into a high ponytail. Then I slip on my white sneakers, grab a water bottle, and toss a towel and headphones into the bag. I'm feeling a little lazy, but I remind myself, you never regret a workout. Let's go. The air is fresh outside. I put on my headphones, press play on my workout playlist, and walk confidently toward the gym. I love this part, the calm before the challenge. I swipe my membership card at the front desk. The doors slide open. The sound of weights clinking and treadmills buzzing fills the air. People are everywhere, running, stretching, lifting. And me? I go straight to warm up. I step onto the treadmill and start with a light jog. Just 5 minutes, enough to wake up my muscles. I breathe deeply. My heart rate rises. The gym is bright and clean. Mirrors reflect people working hard. It motivates me. Now it's time to lift. I grab a pair of dumbbells and begin with squats, down and up. I feel the burn in my legs. It hurts, but it's a good kind of pain. Next, I move to lunges, then a 30-second plank. My body is working, my mind is focused. After strength, it's time for cardio. I hop on the exercise bike, adjust the seat, and start pedaling. I sip some water and wipe my forehead with a towel. 15 minutes pass like 5. I'm in the zone. Finally, time to cool down. I sit on a yoga mat and stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath and exhale slowly. I feel proud. I showed up. I did the work. I walk out of the gym, sweaty and smiling. The sun is still shining, my body is tired, but my energy is high. It's amazing what just 1 hour at the gym can do, not just for your body, but for your mind. Back home, I drink a smoothie, shower, and sit by the window. The day has only begun, but already I feel strong, inside and out. Let's quickly review some vocabulary you heard today. Gym bag, sneakers, leggings, warm-up, dumbbells, treadmill, squats, lunges, plank, exercise bike, cool down, stretch, sweat, energy. That was my day at the gym, and I hope it gave you more than English. Maybe it gave you motivation. Maybe it made you smile. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Master Speak English for more real English, real life, and real growth. See you next time.